What's good, KG fam? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your friends. As you can see by the title and the video and the thumbnail and all that stuff, we're gonna be taking another BMW M3 to CARMAX. So you guys know my friend Ayers. He's got an E93 M3 convertible, Jerez black with the red interior. He's got it modified, headlights, slip, all that stuff. This car has 130,000 miles on the clock. So we are going to be taking it to CARMAX to see what they offer him, and we all know that CARMAX lowballs, but we're just doing it. We want to see what they offer. We're going to see what they give him for this car. He's on his way to my house. We're going to go and take the car to CARMAX, get it appraised, and see what they offer him. Obviously, we all know that CARMAX lowballs, like I said, and obviously in the last video that I did, the CARMAX in my M3, you know, 20,000, and you know, obviously they got to sell it for more. So we all know how it works, but it's just for entertainment for you guys. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like button, and let's go. So what do you think? How much do you think they're gonna offer him?
Like 5,000, 6,000. Yeah? Why? Why so low? What's up, dude?
We'll see what's up right now. Let's just see what's up with the boys real quick, and let's see how much they see what they got to say real quick. Yo. So quick question. We're gonna take his M3 to CARMAX. How much do you think they're gonna offer him?
Yours one? Yeah. Are we gonna bet on it?
No, it's just for fun, I guess.
I said 5. 12. No, less. 12 is a lot. I bet you.
How much? How much?
Let's bet. 4,900.
19?
4,900.
Nah, that's too low.
I said 5. What?
I think like.
Which car?
I think 10. Yeah, I think 10.
Yeah. No, I think
65.
65.
I think 10.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
gonna die.
saying 57.
65.
No, I'll say like 68.
I'll say 89.
68.
No, 89 is low.
I think 10 or lower.
65.
Well, how much
you
did you
said
get? How
number.
much did you get for yours?
20.
20.
Bro, his is 20. His guy.
It's 70,000 miles, and it's a coupe. Mine is 130,000 miles,
Convertible.
and it's a convertible. You know what? I'll be
68.
large. 7,200.
Hey,
Okay, yeah, 60. 800.
7,200.
I said 7. Oh, now I see.
Anybody needs an alternator? I have a brand new one in the car. I swapped it. I gave
I'm gonna do your guys' car next. I wanna take your guys' car to CARMAX too.
Hey, my alternator 185.
Just to see what they. But do you think they'll give you a price with the wraps or no? Yeah. I told you. You said they wouldn't.
Probably.
They'll tell you the
They'll give you a rough estimate probably.
Okay.
Hey, how much he's gonna get for his car?
I don't know. I wanna find out too. I wanna find out what the price would be on his car.
But I had less more miles.
So what? But
Art on there.
Sedan.
The art
Plate
on there.
title.
The art. The art.
How much they offer you?
How
much they offer you?
No, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go.
So drift design.
65, I think.
Nah, 65 is a lot.
5,200.
79.
I said 52. Remember that?
Yeah.
Dude, I said 72.
I'll say probably mine like 15 grand.
You?
Mine, yeah.
Yours?
You
Yeah.
win.
Nah, like 10, bro.
Yeah,
right.
Low, bro, 20.
Wait. So your car is only $5,000 less than him? The value?
No, Porquecito like a
Oh, mine is
15.
90.
Hey,
Mijo, Porquecito like a 15.
Yeah, mine is
1500.
like 15,000.
1,500. All right, so I'm about to drive Ayers' car. Hop in the whip. Oh man. Start it up. So we got 130. I'll tell you right now. 130,963. Should have went for a car wash. First, we're gonna stop and get some detailing products because you need some, and then we're gonna head over to CARMAX and see what they offer him. Like I said, if you guys want to take a guess below, comment down below. What do you guys think they're gonna offer him? You guys already got the boys' opinions. I want to hear your guys' opinions. So pause the video, comment down below, like I said, and tell me what you guys think. We are heading over to Detail Garage in Burbank to get some products. He's gonna get the towels and stuff, and then we're gonna head over to CARMAX. So, bam. Top down is way different lifestyle, bro. Way different. Fuck, dude. Feel the handling. Your car runs very solid for where it's at. It's perfect, bro. Wow. Convertible style is like, it's definitely the Cali vibes, bro. Yep. It's definitely. I love it.
Me too.
I bet you like going down to PCH, top down.
Best. I love it.
2 girls in the back.
And one in the front.
And one in the front. Because you're a big mafioso, right?
You know it.
Sick, bro. F80. Can't beat the sound of the E90. Fucked him up, bro, in the F80. Bro, you're stripping out, bro. He gave you a thumbs up. Damn, what the hell? What's up, bro?
Somebody's car?
Wow.
Somebody's car?
That's my friends.
Wow. LS
No
motor
way.
inside. Wow.
Fuck, can you start it? No.
No.
Yes? Bro,
Oh my god.
Bro. Damn.
Oh my
Wow,
god.
Bro.
What
Shit.
the heck? That's insane.
Wipe my lenses, please. With my tank top.
Dude.
Wipe my lenses. God.
What the?
Wow.
Dude.
Bro. Wow.
Just a little bit, right?
Shit, man. Thank you.
One of my good friends. His name's
Bro.
you guys want to follow him? Is Andrew For Real.
Dude. That's crazy. What's up, bro? What's up?
How fast is
That's
Quick. Yeah, it's pretty quick.
But
it's
don't take a fuck. You don't know the roll.
Oh my
You can't really
God.
take off with those.
Well, he's got slicks all
Nick,
around.
where you at,
He's
bro?
more of a drift car. He's a really cool dude. You need to mess with or whatever, just let me know.
Love it. Thank you for your time.
You're gonna condition the pad first. What that's gonna do is you don't want a dry pad to start off right away, all right? And we'll use something like our V36 here.
Okay, what's V36?
It's a cutting polish. So it's like
Okay.
a very easy chill. You want a nice gloss. You have some swirls here and there you want to take off.
So
what
this
you
is
use.
like to remove layers of scratches?
Yes.
Okay.
Now you're removing paint. Not a
Yeah.
lot, but you're removing
Paint or
paint.
clear coat?
No, clear coat. We just
Clear
paint.
coat.
Paint. Still paint.
Yeah?
Clear coat's paint, yeah. It's just a clear paint.
Okay. Okay, yeah. He's right. There's paint and then there's clear paint. That's a clear coat.
All right, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna start off by blotching it in the area you're doing, right? Okay, I'm gonna do this little area right here. Turn the machine on, speed 1. All you're gonna do is, you're just gonna spread it out. You're gonna get to a good area, go all the way up,
The max speed?
max speed.
You gotta press on it or something?
No,
No
it's just
pressing?
the dead weight of your arm, that's it. Go down, cover half of your last pass. Hard, man. You'll feel
But
it.
here, I have a question for this.
Yeah.
You see those little tiny scratches? Those
Yes.
ones are removable or no?
They are removable.
So how do you remove those ones?
You're gonna maybe need a wet sand or use a different, this is just a polish. I didn't use a compound. So you can get more and more aggressive.
Can you show me something? I'm serious. I swear, I'm not wasting your time.
All
I
right, check it
appreciate
out.
it, but
So
I really
see
want to
these
do it.
tags?
Yeah.
This is what damages it. So look here.
So we gotta remove the tags.
You see,
We did some shopping today. I wasn't supposed to go shopping today, man. Huh? I wasn't supposed to go shopping today. Shit. Shout out to Chemical Guys, Detail Garage. Got an F80 M3 compact. Reminds me of my friend Carlos's M3. Looks like exactly the same. Oh, you gave me a bottle?
Yep.
Nice, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hell yeah. Came up.
What are you expecting to get?
offered him 20.
I got 20.
You did.
I got
Say
20 for
that.
mine.
Let me look you up in the system. What's
This
your
car
phone
brand
number?
new is $110,000. This is the.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Like this.
You're on the system.
You're still there? Colfax Avenue?
No,
What's
I
your-
moved to
let me-
Sherman Oaks.
Let me update you. Why
It's a
you so-
convertible.
What's the color?
Black.
It's okay if we borrow the key on this one?
Yeah.
Okay. No modifications we should know about.
You
Just
know everything,
cosmetics.
tell me.
Just cosmetics.
Okay. But really, it's going to be about the year and the miles. How many miles you got?
130.
Let's see. It's titles in your name.
Yeah.
Nothing's broken or damaged.
No. Perfect.
Do you still have 2 keys or just 1 key?
2 keys.
And again, no engine or suspension modifications.
Perfect.
And no engine light on or anything.
No.
No what?
No engine light.
Oh, no.
Okay. A new thing for us is to show the dealer trade-in on Kelly Blue Book. They just want us to show customers, each person, what they could expect possibly. Again, these are going to be ballpark figures from Kelly.
All right.
MC.
M3.
M3
Convertible.
730,000.
Yeah.
Alright, and let's see, it always comes with this
It's fully loaded. It's got everything. Everything. Parking sensors, rear cameras,
Premium sound. Exterior.
premium wheels, 19-inch,
parking sensors.
sensors.
Do you have any special packages?
What's alloy wheels?
I think that's a step down. I'm
Oh,
not
no.
sure. Where did I
Yeah, I have the cold weather package, technology package, premium package too. My
Convenience.
business package and premium package.
They're very good.
This is the highest range you could expect.
'Where was it?
11 to 14.
11 to 14,000. Okay.
Package.
They got a. They got a. Oh, dude, this is a. Wait, is this? This is Avis blue. This is not black, bro. It's a special color.
Wow.
Oh,
Here,
red into or
wow.
brown or cinnamon, right?
Cinnamon.
What's the color? Should tell you. 27,000 miles, 60 grand. I bet you they gave this person like 40. Right?
Yeah.
Damn. I wonder what's the color. Doesn't tell you. Should I buy this car? Mess around. Damn, look at all the Beamers they got, dude. They're dropping the top to see everything is in tip-top shape. Everything works, bro. Your car's really clean, honestly. Oh, he's driving it a little bit. Look at those headlights, mastermind. So what do you think about the price? Six G's.
I love it.
Well, you know.
6. And the offer is good for like a 7 days, right?
Until next Tuesday.
So you have until next
and
Tuesday.
business day.
I'm excited for
That's
this.
crazy. They got a GTR over there, bro. Somebody trading in their GTR. Isn't that crazy? You know what I want to do, bro? I want to take a Lambo here. I want to see how much they give you a Lambo for. Here. Damn, GTR. Don't sell it, bro. So, what are your thoughts on 6K?
Love it. You can't even buy an E46 M3 2001 with the same mileage for 6,000. It's hilarious.
Bro, I want to laugh so bad, but I can't. Damn. Oh my god. I knew I was going to pop. That's why I covered my ears. We're going to launch control. It's time. Go. Oh, shit. Damn. That's sick. Okay, now tell them the real price.
The real price 2,000.
No way. That's stupid.
So how much did you say you thought it was?
I thought it was about 7-8 grand.
Tell them the price.
14,000.
No.
Yup. 2,000.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
2 grand?
Hold on, Mario.
Isn't that crazy?
Dude, I can't believe that. I can't.
No, we're just kidding. Tell them the real price.
Está en el baño.
6,000 was the real price. 6,000.
Oh, we were pretty close.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we got both the cars. We're about to wash them. We're gonna end the video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like button, share with your friends. Comment down below what are your thoughts, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.